DAS. Quick video we're going to show you on a Cherokee that we've been building. This is a full restore top to bottom. Obviously you'll see the door jambs and everything paint wise are getting done. We did a full repaint, so even the bottom of all these panels are done. This is a second coat of base. It's going to look a little blotchy because it's still wet. But this is a 2020 Toyota, and that's not any variation in bodywork, that's just the blotchiness that you see. But this color we got from Toyota, it's their 2020 color off of their new Tacoma. We'll do one more coat of base. All this was based in our last video as well as the roof. But once this is dry, we'll go ahead and do 3 coats of clear as well. Every nook and cranny that was the previous Patriot Blue